Hey everyone. Welcome back to Tech Talk RE. Today, we're diving into Saas, what it is and how you can make money from it. Let's get started. So, what is Saas? Saas stands for Software as a Service. It's basically cloud-based software that you don't buy and install, you subscribe to it. Think of tools like Google Workspace, Netflix, or Canva. Instead of paying once and owning the software, you pay a monthly or yearly fee to use it. It's convenient, scalable, and can be accessed anywhere there's internet. These SaaS companies host their software online, and users just log in from their browser or app to get access. Now, how do you make money with SaaS? There are three major ways you can profit. Create your own SaaS product. First, if you're tech-savvy or know a great development team, you can build your own SaaS product. Solve a problem, create value, and charge a subscription fee. The beauty of SaaS is its recurring revenue model. Users pay monthly or yearly, so as long as you keep them happy, the income keeps coming in. Affiliate marketing. Second, if you're not ready to build software, you can promote other SaaS products as an affiliate. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon AWS, Dropbox, or even smaller niche products. You earn a commission every time someone signs up through your unique link. Invest in SaaS stocks. Lastly, if you're more into finance, you can invest in SaaS companies. Popular ones like Adobe, Salesforce, and Zoom have performed incredibly well on the stock market. It's a great way to make passive income as these companies grow. That's a quick intro to SaaS and how to make money from it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch you in the next video.